can we start now?
Okay.
Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. First of all, I would like to say thank you to our student for taking your time to take this class, and also I apologize for yesterday. Mm,
It's okay.
okay. Maybe for the first, let's get to know each other first. Mm, we can introduction ourselves, starting from us or from you. Maybe starting from us. Uh, we are three people. My name is Inge Ragil Winoni. You can call me Inge. And also there are my friend Nenggina and
Hello.
the last one is Neng Labibah Muniroh. Okay. Um,
My
what?
call.
Hello.
Yeah. Good.
Okay. Our friend is late to come to our meeting because he has another to do.
Next slide.
Next. Okay. Okay, Mahid, are you have learned Indonesian before?
No.
Nope. Okay. Maybe for the first material is about Indonesian alphabet. Yeah. Uh, Indonesian alphabet in Indonesia is huruf. We say huruf in Indonesia. We can see for the first alphabet is A. A in Indonesia is A. Can you repeat after me? Hello Mahid, are you with me?
Yeah. I repeat. I repeat already. The alphabet A.
A. Okay, for the next is B. In Indonesia, we can say B.
B.
Yes. And next is C. In Indonesia, we can say C. Yes. Good. And for the next is D. In Indonesia, we can say D.
D.
Yes. Good. Next is E. In Indonesia is E.
F.
E. Yes. Good. For the next is F. In Indonesia, same is F.
Can you repeat again?
Okay, for the next F in Indonesia is the same. We say F.
F.
Yes. For the next is G. In Indonesia, we say G.
G.
Okay, good. For the next is H. We say H.
H.
Yes, good. Next is A. In Indonesia is I.
I.
Yes, good. J. In Indonesia is J.
J.
Okay, good. Next is K. In Indonesia is K.
K.
Yes, good. And L is same. We say L.
L.
Good. M, we say M.
M.
Good. For the next is N. Is still the same. We say N.
N.
Okay, good. Next is O. Is still the same. We say O.
O.
Okay, good. Okay, for the next is P. We say P.
P.
Yes, good. Next is Q. In Indonesia is Ki. Ki. Okay, good. Next is R. In Indonesia is R.
R.
Yes, good. For the next is S. We say S.
S.
Okay, good. Next is T. Is T.
T.
Yes, good. T. Next is U. In Indonesia is U.
U.
Okay, good. Next is V. In Indonesia is V.
V.
Yes, good. Next is W. In Indonesia is W.
W.
Okay, good. For the next is X. In Indonesia, still the same. X.
X.
Yes, good. For the next is Y. In Indonesia is Y.
Y.
Yeah, good. And the last one is Z. In Indonesia is Z.
Z.
Yeah, okay. There are jadi itu adalah beberapa, mungkin semua huruf yang ada pelafalannya menggunakan bahasa Indonesia gitu. There are alphabet in Indonesia. Okay, for the next, after we know about Indonesian alphabet, we would like to how to count in Indonesian. Okay, next. Okay, next. For the PowerPoint, Neng Gina. Okay. Nah, bisa kita lihat di sini adalah beberapa angka dalam bahasa Indonesia. So, there are a number in Indonesia.
Okay.
Okay. We can spell for the first is zero. Zero in Indonesia, we say no.
No.
Yes.
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Ya, betul. Selanjutnya, one, bahasa Indonesianya yaitu satu.
Satu.
Ya, satu. Okay. For the next is two. in Indonesia is dua.
Dua.
Okay, good. Next is three. In Indonesia is tiga.
Tiga.
Good. And next is four. In Indonesia is empat.
Repeat it again, please.
What?
Repeat it again.
Okay. For the next is four. In Indonesia we say empat.
Empat.
Good. Empat. Okay. Next is five. We say lima.
Lima.
Good. Next is six. We say enam.
What?
Enam.
I can't see your screen, so.
Oh, okay. Neng gina screen. Neng lebih bahas share screen ada gak?
Maybe Inge can repeat the number again.
Okay, from 6 ya, from 6. Okay, for the next is 6. We say enam. Enam. Yes,
What?
good.
Yes,
Enam. Okay, for the next is 7. We say tujuh.
Udah ada kok.
Tujuh.
Ini mah ada.
Tujuh.
Tidak
Yes,
ingat tambalannya
good.
gimana?
Udah, Neng. Okay, for the next is 8. In Indonesia is 8.
What?
8.
Delapan.
Yes, good. 8. Okay. For the next is 9. Is 9. 9 is 9. Sembilan. Good. Okay. Can you read and spelling from 0 to 9? Okay.
Is 0.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, good. That's great.
That's
That's good. Maybe that's the first material is about alphabet and number. Maybe for the next is about coba di next Neng Gina. Materi selanjutnya yaitu greetings atau sapaan will be explained by Neng Gina.
Okay, Mr. Romahin. After we learn about the alphabet and the number in Bahasa Indonesia, here now we will learn about the greetings in English, or in Bahasa Indonesia that is sapaan or salam. Jadi how to say hello, or how to how to say hello with the people in Indonesia. Okay, here we go. For first greeting, there is halo or hi in Bahasa Indonesia. That's in English. That is hello or hi. Okay. And the next one, there is selamat pagi. In English, it is good morning. And then selamat siang, or in English, that is, and then sorry, or in English, good evening. And the next one is there selamat malam. In English is good. Okay, can you see in share screen the listnya, Mr. Wahid? You know the greetings atau sapa or and now we try how to speak the greeting in bahasa Indonesia. Repeat after me, please, Mr. Wahid. Halo.
Halo.
Or hi.
Ah.
Hi. Okay. Hi. That's same with and then there is selamat pagi. See, from in morning, and then there is selamat siang. Can you repeat, Mr.? Selamat siang.
Selamat siang.
Okay, that's good. And then selamat sore.
Selamat sore.
Okay, good. And the next one is selamat malam.
Selamat malam.
Okay, that is there are some greetings in bahasa Indonesia. After that, we can learn next material that is about our things that can be presented by Labiba. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you for Miss Inge and Miss Nenggina for the presenting or for explanation the material about alphabet and number, and also Nenggina last time had explained about greetings in bahasa Indonesia. Okay, for next, maybe Bijoy or Mahid, we can study about partings. In English, usually we say partings, but in Indonesia, we can say salam perpisahan. Okay? Do you get it?
I get it.
Okay. In Indonesia or in bahasa, you can say salam perpisahan, or usually in English we say partings. Okay. For the first, here, for the first partings or goodbye, usually we say in English, see you later, but in Indonesia or in bahasa, we can say sampai jumpa nanti. Okay? Sampai jumpa nanti. Okay, next. The second, nice to see you. In English, we say nice to see you, but in bahasa, we can say senang bertemu denganmu. Okay? Okay, next. In English, we can say have a nice day, but Indonesia or bahasa, we can say semoga harimu menyenangkan. Semoga harimu menyenangkan. Okay. Next, the fourth. In English, we usually say farewell. Farewell. But in bahasa, we can say selamat tinggal. Selamat tinggal. Nah, in the last one, this is another way to say selamat tinggal. You can also selamat tinggal, bye-bye. In English, we usually say bye-bye, but in bahasa, we say the pronouns or we say the meaning selamat tinggal. Okay, that's all. Some expression of fartings or goodbye in bahasa Indonesia. Actually, there are so many the expression of partings and goodbye, but here I just show you the expression of partings. There are 5 expressions. Okay, maybe for next session, you can repeat after me. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. In English, we usually see you later, but in bahasa, sampai jumpa nanti.
Sampai jumpa nanti.
Okay, nice. Next, in English, we usually say nice to see you, but in bahasa, we can say senang bertemu denganmu.
Senang bertemu denganmu.
Okay, nice. Okay, next, for the third, in English, we usually say, have a nice day. But in bahasa, we can say, semoga harimu menyenangkan.
Semoga harimu menyenangkan.
Okay, nice. Nice pronunciation. Okay, next, in English, we usually say farewell. But in bahasa, we can say selamat tinggal.
Selamat tinggal.
Okay, now, and the last one, in English, we usually say bye-bye, but in bahasa, we can say selamat tinggal.
Selamat tinggal.
Okay, nice. Okay, maybe you can read the expression of partings or salam perpisahan ya. In bahasa, partings means salam perpisahan. Okay, now it's your turn. Or from the first expression until the last expressions. Okay, time is yours.
What I have to do? I don't understand.
Okay. What?
What I have to do now?
Okay. Maybe you can repeat after me again, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Sampai jumpa nanti.
Sampai jumpa nanti.
Senang bertemu denganmu.
What?
Senang bertemu denganmu.
Oh, senang bertemu denganmu.
Denganmu.
Denganmu. Denganmu.
Okay. Next, semoga harimu menyenangkan.
Semoga harimu menyenangkan.
Okay. Selamat tinggal.
Selamat tinggal.
Okay, it's nice pronunciation. Okay, maybe last time you have already studied about alphabet in bahasa, number in bahasa, and last time Miss Gina have already explained about the greetings and the partings. Okay, Miss Gina, can you back to the next, the before slide? Okay. Next, before.
Next slide. Next. Last slide or
Last slide.
last slide? Okay. This. Okay, closing.
Okay, Video, maybe for the first meeting, is there any questions?
Well, I have no question. Thank you.
Okay. I'm so sorry. We are so sorry because we disrupt your time.
It's okay, no problem. Because I
Okay.
agreed to give you time, so it's okay.
Okay, I can't thank you enough for you.
It's okay now.
Okay.
I feel happy to help you. That's great.
Okay. Okay, maybe before closing our meeting today, let's review from the first. Nanggina, from the first slide. First, the alphabet.
Alphabet.
Maybe you repeat from first.
Gimana?
You can repeat or review from the first until the last, and Mahi just listen to your speak.
Okay, maybe jadi tadi kita sudah belajar tentang alfabet dalam bahasa Indonesia. So we have learned about Indonesian alphabet. There are jadi pada intinya banyak yang the same pronunciation and the different pronunciation between Indonesia and English pronunciation. For the next about numbering or number, wait.
The number.
And we have learned about number in Indonesia seperti mulai dari 0 sampai 9. Actually, there are so many number that we have learned, but for the first meetings and for the first pertemuan itu ya. Jadi for the basic is we learn about 0 to 9.
Okay. Maybe Bijoy for pronounce how to pronounce 28, how to pronounce 27, how to pronounce 25, or how to pronounce 22nd in bahasa. You just say, Nenggina slide angka. Okay. If you want to say 28 in bahasa, just say 28. Okay?
Okay, 28.
Okay. Actually, can I ask, when was you born? What date?
Again, please.
What date was you born?
16.
Okay, 16. Or you can say in bahasa 16. 16. Okay, 16. Or when you want to say 32. 32 in English 32. But in bahasa we can say 32. Okay? Okay. When you want to say like 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, you can merge between 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. The example 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? Do you get it?
Okay, I get it. Thank you.
Nice. Okay, maybe that's enough from our meeting today, I think. Yes, Miss Inga? Miss Gina? Okay, Bijo,
Yes.
have you known well the tutors? Mahid. What can I call you? Mahid or Bijoy?
As you wish.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, I call you Mahid. Okay, is it okay?
Okay now.
Okay. Okay, Mahid, have you known well about the tutors?
What you say?
Have you known well about the tutors? The teacher, I mean the teacher.
Okay.
Okay, here there are 3 teachers, or we can say 3 tutors. So have you known about them?
Just a little bit, but I didn't hear properly, so better can
Okay.
tell me.
Okay, for last time, who explained about number and alphabet, her name is Inge. Inge.
In,
Inge.
in,
Inge.
this is a simple, or I have any simple name.
You can say Inge.
But never mind, I can say teacher is better.
Okay. Next, the person who explained about the greetings, her name is Gina.
Okay, Gina.
Gina. Okay, that's right. Okay, so the last speaker, me, Labiba.
Labiba.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, maybe that's all from our meeting today. Maybe, inshallah, next we have 2 meetings again. Is it okay, Mahid?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, before closing our meeting today, I really want to say thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for your nice attention during the meeting. And thank you for your free time for learning Bahasa with us.
Welcome. Thank you very much to teach something new. I really feel happy to learn something about Indonesian language.
Okay, maybe Inge, Nenggina.
Okay, thank you, Mahid, for the first meeting. Maybe we can meet in another meeting.
Okay, see you next meeting.
Okay, see you.
Take care, bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye-bye.